You can reuse leftover tarmac for future pothole repairs if you store and handle it correctly. Leftover tarmac, also known as cold patch, will remain workable for a short window if you seal it from air and moisture and keep it at a stable room temperature. Transfer unused material into heavy-duty plastic bags or airtight containers, press out as much air as possible, and tape or clamp the closure to reduce oxidation and water ingress. Store the bags in a dry, shaded area away from direct sunlight and temperature extremes, because heat can soften binders and freezing can change consistency. Plan to use the material within a few weeks for the best compaction and adhesion. After extended storage, the binder can harden and performance will drop. When preparing to patch, warm the product slightly by bringing it indoors for a few hours if it is cold so it becomes pliable, but do not microwave or heat directly over flames. Batch work saves product and labor, so organize repairs so you can patch multiple holes in one session as the podcast recommended. Common mistakes start with leaving the package open or loosely closed, which lets moisture and air degrade the binder. So reseal tightly and use secondary wrapping like a sealed bucket if you expect longer storage. Another issue is storing the material outdoors on the ground, where water and temperature swings accelerate deterioration. So move bags to a covered, level shelf at room temperature. A third frequent problem is trying to use old, stiff tarmac that has lost adhesion. Test a small lump first, and if it crumbles or will not compact into a firm bond, dispose of it and buy fresh material to avoid wasted labor and poor repairs. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like pothole repair, so we help people find local professionals and practical advice for material reuse. We host a discussion community where members share tips, ask questions, and swap local vendors, so our site supports both homeowners looking for trusted help and contractors seeking work.